Welcome to QLC online video tutorial. We will see how to claim expenses for backdated visits from FieldSense mobile app and web portal. Let's see. First of all, we will see on FieldSense mobile app. Suppose you forgot to claim expenses for particular visit. Then how to go about it? On FieldSense homepage at top you will see this option today. If you click on it, you will get the calendar. By default, the current date will be selected, so you need to select the date when you have done that visit. After selecting the date, you need to click on this right sign at right top. Then you will be able to see all the visits that you have done on that particular day at this section, schedule visit. If you click on it, you will find all your list and need to select the visit for which you would like to claim your expense. When you click on it, then you will get this section where you need to click on this icon expense and need to fill all the required details, like you need to select the expense category, need to fill the expense head, and need to enter the expense amount, and any image of your bill or any bill related file if you would like to upload. Then click on this plus icon. You will get this three option. First option will redirect you to your gallery or your photos from where you can upload your images, and if you click on this camera icon, then your phone camera will get open. You can click image of your bill and you can upload, or if you want to upload any file, then click on this icon and you will be able to upload any file related to your bill. After filling all the required details, need to click on this right sign at right top to save this claim, and you will get the confirmation message as well. And suppose if you forgot to claim expense which is not directly related to any particular visit, for example your monthly mobile bill, then how to go about it? Let's take a look. In FieldSense mobile app, on FieldSense menus section, you will find this option expenses. Click on it. You will get this section where on top you will find this icon plus. Click on it, then you will get the same section to claim your expenses and fill all the required details, like your expense category you need to select, then expense head, enter your amount. You can choose a particular day if you want to change, and you can upload any document, you can upload your images. After filling all the required details, need to click on this right sign at right top to save all these details, and you will get the confirmation message as well. Alright, now we will see how to claim backdated expenses from FieldSense web portal. Let's see. On FieldSense web portal, that is web.fieldsense.in, you need to go to the section expenses. Under expenses, you will find this option add expense. Click on it. You will get this section, and if your claim is directly related to any particular visit which you have already done, then you need to click on this option select visit. After that, you need to search and select your customer, and then you need to select the visit which you have done and you want to claim expenses. Then need to select the expense category, need to define the expense head, enter the expense amount. You can select date and you can select any date or time, and you can attach any file. You can attach image of your food bill, and after filling all the required details, need to click on the submit to claim this expense. You will get the confirmation message as well. And suppose any expenses which is not directly related to any particular visit, then what you need to do, you no need to select this option select visit. Directly you need to define expense category and then expense head, enter the amount. You can choose your date, attach your any document if you have, you can upload your any images, and click on submit. You will get confirmation message as well. Expense created successfully. You will be able to see all the expenses that you have claimed under this section. Alright, thank you for your valuable time. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can write us a mail on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.